On behalf of Pakistani's Community Organization of Canada, I welcome you all to this 9th Family Fungama night. Let me also thank and welcome our special honorable guests. I welcome MP Peter Fonseca, Mr. Shafkat Ali, MPP Khalid Rashid, MPP Deepak Anand, MPP Sharif Sababi, and Ward 3 Councillor Chris Fonseca. I also want to welcome Dr. Amin Mohammed, psychiatrist, Dr. Junaid, Mr. Awais Iqbal, and he is a well-known community activist, Mr. Pervez, Mr. Ghulam Rasul Khan from Group Advisors Inc. We also have some guests from our sister organizations, and I want to welcome them too. These organizations are Mississauga Seniors Club, Sahara Senior Services, Senior Islamic Society of Tea, Kalam Foundation,
Irfan Baba Malik from Punto 360. This is Senior Pioneers Club, Park Pioneers Community Organization of Canada.
From Dixie Electronics, and also from Alumni Association of UTEC, University of Engineering and Technology, right? And we have VIPs who sent their congrats and regrets, and they are Mississauga Mayor Bani Brahmi, Seniors Minister Kamal Khaira, Minister of Transportation MP Umar Al-Gabra, MP of Clinton Adam Van and MP of Harenvale Ikra Khalid. I want to welcome her father, Hafiz Khalid, and his wife. Now I want to thank all the organizers who put this big event together. Park Pioneers Executive Director, Sister Tehmeenah Naveen, Coordinator and Naveen Chaudhary, Park Pioneers Board of Directors, Safir Mufti, Muhammad Sarwar Chaudhary, Riasuddin, Adila Kayur, and Senior Pioneer Club Board of Directors, M. Asif Kamar Khan, Mr. Asadullah, Sister Shamim Haq, Sister Nasima Siddiqui, and Mr. Saeed Khoka. And volunteers, Tariq Ali, Adnan Hamid, Mr. Shamim Haq, Mr. Frazim Ansab, Mr. Hafiz Sayyid, Ms. Nabiha Farooq, Mr. Taham Chaudhary, and Ms. Manam Naveed. Last but not the least, Mr. Taki, along with his musicians and performers. Again, I welcome you all, and you all need a big round of applause for yourself. Thank you. Enjoy the evening.